Hi there, students. A vigil. Okay, the basic meaning of a vigil is staying awake when everyone else is asleep, normally staying awake at night. So, for example, a security guard on night shift keeps his vigil. Yeah. A vigil can be just a period when you're awake, particularly when you're tired and watching. But that's less common. Normally, a vigil is alone at night or in silence at night. You can also have a vigil as an event where a group of people stay in a place and they're quiet, either to pray or to make a protest. So, I don't know, Greenpeace held a candlelit vigil outside the Houses of Parliament to show their disgust at the little action that was being taken to save our environment. Or maybe you keep vigil at somebody's bedside when they're very ill. So the mother kept vigil all night beside her child's bed. Yeah. Notice, to keep a vigil. Yeah. Then more formally in older times, a vigil is normally a watch kept at night on the day before a religious feast. Um, Maybe a day of a night of preparation for the next day's feast, or fasting, not eating, or with special rituals before the feast. So this is a vigil, the act of staying awake, especially at night, very often with a person who is ill or who is dying. Yeah, so to keep vigil beside somebody's bedside. Or a vigil outside a company to make a protest. Yeah, particularly a candlelit vigil. Normally in this, people don't make speeches or anything like that. They just stay there but silent. Yeah, or maybe he kept vigil in the church all night, praying for the souls of the people who had died, for example. I think a vigil, the public vigil, is particularly to call attention to something. Okay, so a vigil, the act of staying watch, vigilance. This is related to vigilance. When you're looking out, a guard should be vigilant, stay vigilant. This comes to us from Latin through French. Latin, vigilia or vigilia, wakefulness or a watch, from vigil, awake, from Proto-Indo-European weg, to be lively or to be awake. Okay, so a vigil, particularly to keep vigil in a place. The dog kept vigil beside his master until help arrived. Or a vigil on the night before a festival with religious devotions and things like that. Or a quiet demonstration in support of some sort of cause. Yeah, notice vigils particularly at night. Okay, so, well, a lookout or a security guard keeps his vigil all night. As to formality, I'd probably give this a 6.5 in formality. Um, I think informally, just to keep watch or to protest. I think use it in a semi-formal conversation, maybe better a semi-formal writing or something very formal. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Vigil.